Hello and welcome to section 12.5, which is on circles in the coordinate plane. Theorem 12.16 is the equation of a circle. So the standard form for the equation of a circle with a center of HK and radius R is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. And here I have a picture drawn how that would look. The radius of the circle is here. The circle would have to somehow be on the coordinate plane. So this is my x and my y axis. And then I have the center of the circle, which is HK, and a point out here, which is xy. So then to be able to actually use that, I have an example here. It says, what is the standard form of the equation of each circle? So the center of the circle is 3, 5, and the radius is 6. Okay. So obviously, since it is not on the coordinate plane and I don't have a point there for my x and my y, I'm just going to use xy in the formula, in the equation, I should say. So just go ahead and plug in your x here in the formula. So x minus 3 squared plus y minus 5 squared. I'm just plugging in the x and the y from here, equals 6 squared. And I could actually go ahead and rewrite this with the 5 squared, or the 6 squared worked out. So right here would be my equation, standard form of the equation of that circle. And then I just have one more example for you. What is the standard equation of the circle with a center at 4, 3 that passes through the point -1, 1? And I've given you the hint here that you have to use the distance formula to find the radius since they're not giving it to us. And remember that the radius is from the center out to the edge of the circle. So to find my radius, I'm going to do square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. That's my distance formula. So then I'm just going to go ahead and plug in my numbers. So I have an x of 3, and it's going through point -1. And then I have a y of 3, and it's going through the point 1. So plus a plus, 5 squared plus 2 squared. So 25 plus 4 equals square root 29. And so then if I go ahead and plug that in to the standard form, I'm going to get, my point was 4, or excuse me, my center again was 4, 3. So I'm going to have x minus 4, and then squared, plus y minus 3 squared equals square root 29 squared. And then I can actually go ahead and rewrite it again with that square root 29 squared. And remember, when you square a square root, you actually just get rid of this radical symbol. So it would be 29. And there is my equation. So bring this information with you, and we will talk about it more the next time I see you. Have a good night.